Hello everyone and good morning. Nako, nakaka-excite isipin that you are actually moving forward in your journey into becoming successful in real estate sales. Ako nga pala si Carl Marx Conde. I'm one of the marketers and the trainer for Commune Realty. You are actually moving forward with us. And as you do so, you have to remember na ang Commune Realty is a licensed real estate brokerage na nag-aim na maging successful ang lahat ng mga real estate agents natin by helping them, equipping you to help your buyers and sellers in the field. And yun yung vision ng Commune Realty. Our vision is to become the most trustworthy na real estate agency for buyers, for sellers, and for real estate professionals like you. Yun yung goal natin, maging trustworthy. Napaka-importante ng tiwala. And we can do that vision by making sure that agents like you will be able to have that, be able to become trustworthy. And we also strive na mag-serve tayo with excellence. Hindi lang makabenta, pero magkaroon ng difference or makakreate ng difference sa mga buhay ng mga tao around us. Alam naman natin lahat na ang real estate or ang mga properties is one of the biggest and most important needs ng bawat tao. Diba? And to do that, core values ng Commune Realty ang commitment. We're making sure that in every transaction, they would feel and they would see in us the commitment to serve them. Whether buyer ba yan o seller ba yan, whether mayaman ba yan o may kaya o talagang saktong-sakto lang ang budget, tutulungan natin yan. That's our commitment. And we do that by number 2 core value, working hard. Okay? Hindi po laway lang ang puhunan sa sales ha. Tandaan niyo yan. We believe that in sales, it's important to work hard, to make those posts every day, to talk to your friends every day, to cultivate and make your relationship closer with the potential leads that you have. We also believe that to do that, kailangan natin ng relationship. Importante ang relationship sa Commune Realty. Hindi lang po sa ating mga kapwa-ahente, hindi lang po sa mga mayayaman nating mga kliyente, pero para po sa lahat. That includes our team, other people around you. We have to build that relationship with them. Hindi natin kailangang awayin, hindi natin kailangang gawa ng problema. We want to make sure that we have a relationship with them. And we also believe in integrity. Kung sino tayo, kung ano sinasabi natin, and that's who we are when there's no cameras. Diba? When no one else can see us, we will do the right thing. We believe in that. And we also believe in service. Niniwala tayo na ang bawat successful na ahente ay marunong magserbisyo ng tama. Okay? And finally, we believe in teamwork. Naniniwala tayo na hindi lang tayo alone sa journey na to. Naniniwala ang Commune Realty that we are in this journey together because God placed us here and that there's a reason behind every person that is part of our team. Ikaw mismo, meron kang function na napaka-importante. Ikaw mismo, meron kang gagawing purpose with us as a team. And if we have teamwork, we can make our dreams work. Diba? Yun yung belief natin. And I hope that in this journey, ma-remember mo, in this orientation, this might take a couple of minutes of your time. May inclusive to. May mga gagawin to. Meron tayong mga test, meron tayong mga kits na kakailanganin mo. Pero I hope you stay through. Because in this industry, marami na po kami nakita nag-succeed. Yumaman, gumanda ang buhay. Malaki ang komisyon sa bawat sale natin. Pero hindi ganun kadaling makabenta. Pero mas dumadali ang journey if you learn. Now, as we proceed in the others, please make that commitment. Pakinggan mo to, mag-notes ka kung kaya, and see you on the next one.